Bloom is the updated model of the previous Lotus steamer. The steamer's self-adjusting sides allow it to fit a variety of pots and pans. Minimum pot diameter 7 inches. Features an easy lift fork hook. Made of BPA-free polypropylene, heat-resistant up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, and silicone, heat-resistant up to 520 degrees Fahrenheit. Large capacity when fully open, but folds neatly away for storage. Closed, 6 in diameter x 5 in tall, open, 10.5 in diameter x 5 in tall. Dishwasher-safe. Suitable for use in non-stick pots. Not suitable for use in a microwave or pressure cooker. Joseph 45030 Bloom Steamer Basket Folding Non-Scratch BPA-Free Plastic and Silicone, Green. Top reviews from the United States. Good for non-stick pots. My apartment came with cookware that has Teflon coating. Yuck. I don't have enough money to replace the cookware, so I bought kitchen accessories that are Teflon friendly. I like this silicone steamer so much that I probably won't go back to the metal kind. It's sturdy, works just the same, and it's fun colors.